it's me Kirtana. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you all my coin and currency collection. So I've been collecting it since 6 years. I first started collecting it when I was in first standard. I love collecting these coins. Most of these were given by my relatives and grandparents. I started collecting these from when my mother's sister Sheena auntie, she went to Kuwait. So from there she used to give me lots of coins. So first I started collecting Kuwait coins. From that I started collecting other coins, and many of my other relatives also gave me. So this is the first coin that I collected. This is Kuwait coin, which was of 1999. From what I've collected so far, my favorite coins are from Australia. So in these three coins, they're showing Elizabeth II in different years. So the first one is this one. It is in 1979. This is second one. It was taken in 2004. This one is in 2009. This one is of World War I, 50-cent coin. And this is also a 50-cent coin. It has kangaroos in it because kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. The most fascinating thing for me in these coins are that there is a kangaroo picture in this coin. Kangaroo is the national animal of Australia, and there is also Elizabeth II's picture there in this 2009 coin. So there are pictures of many famous people and many other animals pictures in it, so it's really fascinating for me. So guys, this is some of the coins that I have in my collection of Indian coins. These are all the rare ones. These are not in use right now. So this one is one of the most main one. This was taken when the ruling time was of George VI. This is quarter rupee in the year 1947. This is 1 pice. This was also in the ruling time of George VI in 1947. This one is 1 naya pice in 1957. This one is also 1 naya pice. This one was released on 1989 World Food Day. So friends, coin collecting is a very interesting activity. Anyone can do it, so please start collecting. Especially every year the value of each coin is doubling, so it is a very interesting activity. Any age group, if you are in any age group, no problem, you can do it. It's a really interesting activity. I have enjoyed it all these years. These are Singaporean coins. These coins are from England. These are from Georgia. This also has many pictures of animals and deer and all. This is Malaysia. In their coins, mostly we can see pictures of their national flower, hibiscus. I brought these when I went to Malaysia in 2018 summer vacation. These are from Canada. These coins are from Kuwait. These are pictures of ship and their writings in Arabic. These are USA's coins. These coins are of UAE. These are from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabian coins. This one is Switzerland's 1985 coin. These are Sweden. This is Maldives coin. These are from Sri Lanka. When my mom went there, she brought these for me. This is Indian rupee, half rupee. This is 1954 coin. This coin is from Italy. These also my aunt brought from Bahrain. This coin is from Philippines. This has a picture of a bird. So this is my currency collection. This is UAE's currency. This has a picture of a bird, eagle. This is Saudi Arabia's currency. It has a picture of the ruler and palm trees. This is Kuwait's currency. This is a currency of half dinar. This is Malaysia 1 ringgit currency. This is a Singaporean $2 currency. This is Indonesia's currency. It has pictures of mountains. This is Lebanon's currency. This is $1 currency of USA. This is Egypt's £1 currency. Oman's currency. 100 paisa. Madagascar's currency. My aunt went to Madagascar, so she brought it from there. This is also Madagascar's currency. This is India's 10 rupee note of ₹5 note, 1 rupee, another 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 2 rupee. This is 50 rupee. These are all old currencies. So friends, anyone can start this coin and currency collection, but I've not started it today or yesterday. I've started it before years, so it will take years to get this much of currency and coins. It will take a lot of hard work and effort, but at last you'll find the result for it. Now we don't know the correct value of all this. After years only we'll understand it. So if you collect it, if you start collecting it now itself, when we are about 20-30 years, we'll get the value of these notes will be so much. Through these currencies and coins, we can understand each country's rulers, their national flowers, national animals, and also their culture and history. So it's really fun, and they have different colors, so it's really interesting. So hope you all will start this new hobby. It is a really interesting hobby. So after a few videos, I'll be showing you all my stamp collection also. So stay tuned for that. I've also put coins in these two books also. I have a lot of them. books, in these 2 books, and also I showed you before, I have those also. I've been collecting these for years, as I've told you, so please start collecting them. So stay home, stay safe, and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends and family members. So I'll be posting more videos, and also don't forget to click that little ring button near the subscribe button, and also click all so that you get all my notification when I post videos. So hope you like this video. Bye.